everyone, welcome back to Eat Well with Lisha. Today I'm showing you guys how to make okra water. Now I already did a short of how to make okra water, but sometimes people like to see it in long form because shorts can be a little glitchy and just too quick. And you might want to follow along and do it with me and pause it, see what I did, my whole process. So that's why I decided to turn it into a long form video. So if you've been scrolling and seeing the buzz about okra water, it's for a good reason. Okra water is full of fiber, antioxidants, and hydration benefits that help with digestion, blood sugar balance, and even glowing skin. But here's something you might not have heard. You probably have heard. It's probably why you want to make some okra water. Okra water has been linked to supporting reproductive health and boosting libido thanks to its rich magnesium and folate content. It's one of those natural drinks that's simple, affordable, and super underrated. So let's make it together and I'll show you step by step how to make it. And I like to finish mine with an extra squeeze of lime or lemon to cut some of that sliminess and just add a little boost of vitamin C. Let's get into it.